I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the connection. Remove any weight ports and the adapter screw using the exact hex key. Mark the shaft and head alignment so you can return settings later. Wrap the club head with a towel and apply painter's tape to the shaft to prevent marring, then position the head in a padded vise or clamp on a bench. Once secured, confirm the adapter screw is fully out. If it resists, proceed to targeted heating or penetrating steps next. Now you address the actual bond. Apply controlled heat to the hosel area using a heat gun at about 250 to 300 degrees F in short bursts, keeping the shaft cooler by moving the heat and using a wet towel below the joint to protect it. Once the epoxy softens, secure the shaft in a clamp and apply steady twisting force to the head while pulling. If the head has an adjustable adapter, reverse the adapter mechanism with its torque tool first. Work gradually, rather than forcing to avoid damage. Finish by pulling the head free with consistent rotational force. If it stays, apply a small amount of penetrating oil and reheat briefly, then try again. Once separated, clean remaining adhesive from the hosel and shaft tip with solvent and a plastic scraper, inspect threads and the ferrule for cracks, and trim or file any damaged shaft material. Make sure new adhesive or thread lock is correct if reinstalling. If the head binds or won't seat, stop and recheck alignment. That's the key troubleshooting tip to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.